volumes
altogether comprising of 8 volumes.
Yes.
Has been submitted. Full stop. The learned Attorney General for Pakistan, AG कर दें, अब ऊपर AG कर दीजिएगा. Read out the terms of reference and the respective findings on each given by the Commission, as well as the recommendations, as well as the Commission's *S recommendations. As well as the conclusion, and the Commission's recommendations. कर दें. Capital C कर दीजिए. Full stop. In our opinion, the report does not attend to the terms of reference, the set terms of reference. Full stop. Moreover, the Commission has ventured into areas which are not part of its terms of reference, and given terms of reference. Full stop. We also note that all were not treated similarly, and whereas the statement of some were recorded on oath, others were sent questionnaires. Full stop. Surprisingly, no member of TLP was called for and statement recorded. Full stop. The Commission somehow assumed and did so incorrectly that the right to protest or traveling to Islamabad to protest is prohibited by the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, even though the judgment had stated the opposite. Full stop. The Commission The Commission also did not consider many of the aspects of the judgment and the orders subsequently passed by this court. Full stop. The judgment had noted that the right to assemble and protest provided it is peaceful and complies with the law, imposing reasonable restrictions in the interest of public order cannot be limited or cannot be prescribed. Full stop. We also note, it is also disappointing to note the unnecessary emphasis, the element of provincialism which has crept into the report, and castigating those at the political helm of affairs at the relevant time, whilst disregarding the perpetrators of violence. Full stop. However, the Learned Attorney General states, we inquired from Learned Attorney General whether the government of Pakistan endorses the said report and or does so in parts and he stated that he will be filing a formal statement in this regard. Full stop. He however expressed that his opinion as Attorney General, as AG, was that, whatever your words are.
There's not much substance which I've found in the report, so.
The report lacks substance. Did it carry out the terms of reference or not?
By and large, no, sir.
And that by and large, the terms of reference referred to the Commission were not undertaken.
Not
attended. Were not attended to. Anything else you want to say?
I think for now.
Let the learned AG file a response on behalf of the government of Pakistan to the said report.
Right.
ये इलेक्शन कमीशन ने बहुत बड़ी रिपोर्ट डाली हुई है, वो हम टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई डिडंट गेट टाइम टू रीड इट. कोई है उनकी तरफ से? हाँ जी सर. उसमें आज तो अब देर हो गई काफी, वो आप हमें सीधा चीजें बता दीजिएगा. जी सर. अगर हम जरूरत पड़े तो देख लेंगे उनको. ठीक है. इसमें सर जो इसमें लिख देते हैं, इसमें लिखिए नेक्स्ट लिखें, द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैज फाइल्ड इट्स रिपोर्ट अंडर सील्ड कवर. ये सील्ड है ना, मैंने खोली भी नहीं अभी. थ्रू CMA नंबर 246-2024. तो जो उसमें एक और लिख दीजिए, द फेडरल गवर्नमेंट शुड ऑल्सो स्टेट ऊपर में वेदर इट वांट्स टू मेक पब्लिक द रिपोर्ट और नॉट. हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू टेक?
My lord, 2 weeks.
अच्छा, नीडफुल बी डन विद इन 2 weeks. और कोई चीज तो नहीं थी?
That was all for today, I suppose.
हाँ,
आज के लिए तो यही था सर.
ये किसकी तरफ से?
ये सर हमारे मेरे साथ.
अच्छा, आप तो इन्हीं के साथ हैं. ठीक. कुछ और है क्या? अच्छा, कुछ आपके कंसल्टेशन वो कहीं लिख
वो आ रहे हैं ना ऊपर एंड चेकिंग.
मजीद
नहीं जी नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना. मैं इस पे मुतमईन हूँ जो आपने ऑर्डर लिखवाया, लेकिन रिपोर्ट जाहिर है इस काबिल नहीं है.
ये पता नहीं क्या करते हैं हमारे, हो सकता है हमें परसुएड अदरवाइज कर लें कि हाँ एक बात रह गई.
खुद ही नहीं परसुएशन.
लेट अ कॉपी ऑफ दिस ऑर्डर बी सेंट टू द कमीशन मेंबर्स थ्रू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. हमें नहीं पता वो कहाँ हैं. हु मे रिस्पॉन्ड to the initial observations made. ठीक है. In a writing,
yes.
And or may also be present if they elect to do so.
उसमें कुछ फैक्चुअल मिस्टेक्स भी हैं.
नहीं वो बस ठीक है. अभी हम एक चीज में जाएंगे तो वो कई दिन लग जाएंगे, तो हो सकता है वो हमें परसुएट कर लें. बहुत अच्छी रिपोर्ट है. We go with an open mind, but initial observations are there. So let the order go, let them respond, or they want to come and address either or both